G'day everybody, Mark here from Pondworks. This is our pretty big project we built 18 months ago now. Yeah, it's been operational for a little bit, and of course there's been lots of landscaping going on around it. So let's spin this camera around and let's have a bit of a look at how it looks today. Have a look at this. This is about 35 metres long and 12 metres wide, and now with the turf in and the grass, the turf and grass in, and a lot of the plantings, the gardens and everything, it is doing truly fantastic. Bit of yellow in the water from the tannins. Just have to excuse the camera motion. I am walking and holding this in my hand. So there's a little bit of tannin in the water, and that's just from the leaf litter. There is a lot of foliage that does fall in. We've got jacaranda trees here and the water houses. Water houses aren't too bad on their leaf litter, but truly this is turned into just a very magical garden. Waterfalls up here, not quite on full flow at the moment, but we can crank that up a bit. And the lovely impatiens, just those spots of colour popping up. So we actually built a bit of a stormwater retention pond in here as well, just to increase the catchment capacity. We had a lot of overland flow coming through. Just walking up here to the wetland, all this area up here. Yeah, look, it's looking truly unique. Got to get a few more plants up in here to really get this wetland cranking. But in saying that, we've got the Vallisneria, the eelgrass, doing really well up here, and a few different things around. The Echinodorus swords, the red ocelots, Anubias, and there is some water ribbons around here somewhere as well. So lots of various things growing very, very well. Crazy pave in. Sprinkler system's just coming on. It's on the timer. And the lovely tractor seat plants and the colocaceas and alocasias that are growing around here are just remarkable. So this is the stormwater retention pond. We put all these retaining walls in, and basically there was a lot of overland flow coming down through here that we had to capture and mitigate that water off, so that we could alleviate what was getting washed directly into the pond. So every time I come out here, this really takes my breath away. just love this pond, really do. And now that most of the landscaping's in place, the summer season's been a big bonus. That's really helped kick things along a lot. So it truly is looking pretty remarkable. We've got a sprinkler head that's run astray, but bore pump in here now as well. And look at the way these plants are growing along this crazy pave edge. It's just between these rustic staircase that we built. This truly is looking just fabulous. So this is pretty much the Taj Mahal of products as far as building a pond goes. This is a very large scale pond, and it doesn't mean that we do just large scale ponds. We do smaller ponds as well, 4 metres by 3 metres, something like that. But we can certainly create that incredible oasis in your backyard. So if you've got an idea like this, and you've got the ideal space that you're interested in, by all means get in touch, and let's see what we can do for you. Imagine having your own waterfall like this one in your backyard. Imagine the sight and sounds of that. And as I say, I can crank this up higher. Variable speed pumps on this. There's actually 4 pumps on this one. This is quite a large feature. So yeah, pretty outstanding product. Over 250 tonne of boulder went into this one. And actually the surrounding landscape as well was probably another 80 odd tonnes as well. And yeah, it's turned into a magnificent paradise. But all right, that's it from us on this one. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch us all again soon.